YouTube, it's your boy Lucky Donnie. I'm back with another video, a banger video at that. Before we get even started with that, I got a new mod for y'all. Got a new custom light plate. Let's go ahead and put this on. I'm actually kind of excited to put this on. Hold on, put this here. Check it out. That's my license plate. Can't see.
Pony ass nigga.
Which is very ironic because my son literally just broke my glasses too. Like, he broke one of the frames on it, so I really can't see, and the windows tinted. Today's video, I actually got to stop. I actually got called out for a race. I got called out for a race, y'all. So for what I hear, it's another Mustang with almost the same mods as me. We just got different tuners. I gotta put his mods in the description, so it should be an interesting race if I say so myself. Try and get this damn sticker off. Let me get y'all with this cold start, and I'm gonna meet y'all at the gas station because I'm pretty sure I gotta get some gas. So we are headed to the gas station literally right now. God damn, let me on max. Anyways, we headed to the gas station right now, and we gonna meet up with I don't know what he go by. I forgot. We gonna meet up with, it's a eruption green Mustang 5.0. Just give y'all the gist of the rundown what I'm about to go up against. And we've been talking sometime. Like, yeah, we gotta run it. We got the same mods. We gotta see who tuned her better. So that's what we about to see right now. We obviously gonna go to Mexico for you people. We gonna go to Mexico and see who's the better tuner. Who's the better Mustang at that? Like, we got two rare colors, and I'm sporting the eruption green. It's all Mustang Chrome. But right now I'm about to go get gas. Y'all wanna see a quick pull? Hopefully this will be a good video. We are actually getting gas right now. I just wanted to point out something. I have yet to get a car wash, and look how my car still looks. And no, it's not garage kept. It's none of that. This is all neglected, to be honest. That shit's still shining. Nah, I see a little dust right there. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, man, paint still in great condition. Something.
355 rear end. It's 315s, but it'll just shift a little bit more often.
How's that?
You know how when you're going kind of all out, it'll have that long. You know, it's like really close, and then there's that one shift 6 to 7 where it falls off a lot of the RPM. Yeah. Mine will do that sooner before yours because I have shorter gearing in it. So.
All right, man, we about to run it. As you can see,
detail today. I watched.
We got the two rare colors out. Got the crimson red, and then we got the eruption green Mustang right there. We gonna see who's the faster Mustang. He got the performance pack. I got the base pack. Similar mods. I think he's on E85. I'm gonna ask him. Gonna list everything in the thing, and we gonna see what happens. That shit is as hell. Y'all, I didn't check to see if this angle was good, so if this angle is terrible, I truly apologize. Right now, we are headed to Mexico right now, and yeah, I got a list of mods. He doesn't have headers, but he has a performance pack, so you know those come with a different gear in the rear, so his will kinda outshift mine. We gonna see. He's on E85, I'm on E85. I have long tubes. He has the stock airbox, and he has a different tuner, by the way. So we gonna see how this go. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest. Because if my car loses, that means it's really a fucking dud. Like, and come on, man. Like, we really shouldn't even be doing this. We got two of the rarest colors, eruption green and royal crimson. Sometimes I call this crimson red. I don't know why. I don't know where I got that from. I think it's just royal crimson. It's just royal crimson, okay? They only made this color for the 2018 models, the first generation of Mustangs. I think he have a 2020. I think that's when that color came out. So his might be a slight faster from it being stock. You know, Ford got their shit together in those 2 years, because it's the first generation of the 10-speed, the 3rd gen, and you know it got its issues. But I love this car, and we gonna see how it handles against the eruption green. Okay, I was not even ready on that one. That was terrible. That was terrible on my part. I was not ready. We need like a phone or something.
Dude, I swear we are like literally neck and neck.
All right, let's do one more, and I gotta dip.
All right, I want.
Traffic. I ain't trying to risk that.
Props to you, dude. So, yeah, you're quick, man.
Thank you, man. You as well, man. That thing is sick.
I mean, I got a little.
Like I'm about to get off right here, but well, I couldn't hear your fucking honks cause some shit, your fucking exhaust. I'm like, what the fuck? Damn.
Yeah. Did you get it on video?
I hope so. I can't really see what I'm recording until I put it on my camera.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Well, I'm sure it'll come out really good, so.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
All right, man.
All right.
Yeah, you take it safe, man.
Yep.
All right.